This Chromex Tankless water heater flush kit is a complete setup that includes a sturdy bucket, a strong 1/6 horsepower pump, long hoses, and a raised pump platform so you are not hunting for extra parts on cleaning day. The citric acid-based descaling solution is solvent-free and non-corrosive, so it cuts through mineral buildup effectively while remaining gentle on metals, rubber, and common plumbing plastics. By clearing out scale from the heat exchanger, the kit helps your tankless heater run more efficiently and can meaningfully extend its service life, especially in areas with hard water. The 6-foot hoses are long enough to reach most installation locations and are designed to hook up quickly to standard tankless service valves, making the flushing process straightforward for both homeowners and professionals. In normal situations, the system can be flushed in roughly half an hour, which makes it realistic to add regular maintenance without losing an entire day to the task. The kit is compatible with many major tankless brands, so households with mixed equipment or installers servicing different manufacturers can rely on a single, well-thought-out setup.